Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Redmi. Many Redmi phones, due to hardware or software limitations, cannot directly download Fortnite from traditional app stores. The most effective and often only way to enjoy this popular battle royale game on your Redmi device is through cloud streaming services. This innovative method allows you to bypass direct installation, letting you experience the full game without compatibility worries, provided you have a stable internet connection. Cloud gaming works by running the game on powerful servers located remotely, then streaming the video output directly to your Redmi phone. Essentially, your device becomes a window into the game, rather than running it locally. This clever approach completely sidesteps any compatibility issues your Redmi might have with Fortnite's demanding graphics and processing needs. To ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience, a consistent and high-speed internet connection is absolutely crucial. To get started, first choose a well-known cloud gaming service that specifically supports Fortnite, such as Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce Now. Next, you will need to create an account with your chosen service and link it to your existing Epic Games profile. For the best performance, ensure your internet connection provides a minimum of 20 megabits per second download speed. Finally, connecting a Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for a more precise and enjoyable gaming experience. To truly optimize your Fortnite experience on Redmi, connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This significantly reduces latency compared to 2.4 GHz. Always close any background applications running on your phone to free up valuable system resources. If you notice any lag or stuttering, try lowering the in-game graphics settings to a more modest preset. Following these tips will help ensure you have the smoothest possible battle royale action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.